This is Dr. Royster coming in to you to let you know, my wonderful listeners, that we've made some really exciting changes to the Kids First co-parenting system, because co-parenting with a difficult ex is not something that you go through a program and you come out the other side and it just magically works. That's not how this works, unfortunately. And so we've revamped the Kids First co-parenting system to be a membership. Come in, get your first month half off, get all the lessons, get your video coaching with the group and myself, of course. Stay as many months as you need. Use the code PROTECTKIDS at checkout at learnwithlitlehouse.com and join us. Get the support you know that you need. We are here for you. We're inside the community. We've made it a membership so that it can be so much more accessible and affordable for moms just like you. Join us today.